Hello, my name is Shannon Kessner, and this is my Unit 14 Climate and Weather Analysis. This is the station data for the two locations, Anchorage and Eielson. The data here includes the temperature, pressure, dew point, and relative humidity measurements for the dates of January 30th, 2017 through February 5th, 2017. Eielson is located in the continental climate region, while Anchorage is in the maritime climate region. Throughout the week, the temperatures were higher in Anchorage than Eielson due to it being in the maritime climate region. And you can see that both Eielson and Anchorage, when the relative humidity and dew point increased, the temperature increased as well, but the pressure decreased. I think this reflects that the change in weather was due to a movement of an air mass. In Anchorage on the 31st, we see that the maximum temperature is 37 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum of 28 degrees Fahrenheit with an average of 33 degrees Fahrenheit. In Eielson on the 31st, the maximum temperature is 12 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum of 0 degrees with an average of 6 degrees. The weather map here is for January 31st, 2017, and it shows high and low pressure systems affecting Anchorage. The temperatures today were warm for Anchorage and the winds are coming from the east. There is cloud coverage in both Anchorage and Eielson, which correlates with the temperatures for this day and the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. On Saturday, February 4th, there are high pressure systems influencing the state of Alaska, and there was very little cloud coverage due to the warm surface temperatures and weak winds that were coming from the southeast, and they are heading northwest. Here is station data for Anchorage and Eielson through the week of March 20th through March 26, 2017. In Anchorage, we see a max temperature of 28 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum of 18 degrees Fahrenheit. In Eielson on the same day, the 21st of March, there is a max temperature of 18 degrees and a minimum of -9. On the 25th, we see the same pattern of temperatures from the 21st of March. There are higher air temperatures in Anchorage, while they are lower in Eielson due to the maritime climate. And from both charts, you can see that as the dew point and relative humidity rises, that the temperature also rises, just as they did for January for Eielson and Anchorage. And I also think that was due to a movement of an air mass as well. On March 21st, 2017, there looks to be winds coming from the southeast, heading northwest into Anchorage. There's also a stationary front coming from the east into Anchorage. And there are scattered clouds that seem to go over Anchorage and Eielson. And on Saturday, March 25th, there was very little cloud coverage and temperatures were very low today. And that concludes my Unit 14 screencast. Thank you.